all the way down.
Yep.
Little bit of aileron into wind. See where the wind is.
Yep.
Keep us down the centre. Little bit of aileron into wind. That's it, and then off. Right rudder straight away. Right rudder. Keep it where it is. I'm pushing.
Yep.
That's where I want you to have it.
Yep.
Right. No more. And now it flaps up. So you're working against the flaps in that sense, and then easing the stick back. So notice the nose hasn't moved.
Yep.
That's what we want.
Bannockburn traffic aircraft for Alphas joining downwind runway 09 Bannockburn.
Lethbridge traffic, Technum 8676 turning downwind for runway 10.
Okay, we keep the wing.
Hold it exactly where it is. Don't drop the nose. Don't.
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's a bit too much down. You'll go up to 72, 3 knots.
Yep.
Just hold it there. That's it. A little bit of power. Little bit of power if you need on the turn. That's better.
Lethbridge traffic, Technum 8676 turning down. Base for runway 10. Touch and go, Lethbridge.
65. Don't cut the corner. No, cut the corner. That's better. Now maintain that little bit into wind.
Yep.
And then you'll be right down the centre line. So you're just guessing how much drift you're getting because of that cross. That's looking really good. You can come back nicely. That's it. 60 knots over the railway line. Power right off. Just work with the wind. Keep the wings nice and horizontal. Not too much diving. Just keep it there. And then just as you flare, bring your nose up and hold it there. Bit of left rudder, just a tad. There you go. Beautiful. That's what we want to see. Aileron into wind.